Good afternoon everyone, this is Aryan Sharma. Today we are going to make beetroot raviolis filled with spinach and cottage cheese. It is a very delicious and tasty dish as well as nutritious, which have nutrition of cottage cheese, spinach and beetroot. So get started. Add some salt over beetroot and wrap it in a foil paper. This beetroot wrapped in a foil paper will go into the oven for 20-25 minutes. We'll heat up a pan and add a little amount of butter into it and wait till the butter melts. Once our butter melts, we will add our chopped spinach and saute a little into the butter. Shred some paneer or cottage cheese into a bowl. Add some orange juice in a pan on a low heat and we will reduce this orange juice to make orange sauce. Reduce this till it becomes slightly thick. In another bowl we will add our shredded cottage cheese and our cooked spinach. We will mix them together. Add some black pepper in your mixture. Add some salt in your mixture and mix them well. Add some black pepper in the juice and continuously whisk it. Close your gas once your sauce becomes thickened. You can see like this. It became very thick now. For assembling, we'll add our orange sauce into our plate. Take your beetroot slices and add paneer mixture over it. Seal it with another slice of beetroot and prepare each of everyone like this only. Now place your beetroot slices on the sauce. And your beetroot ravioli is ready.